Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram story from everyone and keep it as private as possible using Instagram's close friends feature. First, open the Instagram app and swipe right to create a new story. Take a photo or upload one from your gallery. At the bottom of the screen, tap Close Friends. Instagram requires you to have at least one person on your close friends list, so select a secondary account or someone you're comfortable adding temporarily. Now tap Share to post a story to your close friends. Once the story is posted, open your story and tap the three dots. Then go to Story Settings. Tap Close Friends again and remove the person you added earlier. Then tap Done. This can leave you with no one selected in your close friends list, so the story won't be shared with your followers through that close friends audience. Keep in mind that Instagram regularly changes its features and settings, so the exact buttons may look different depending on your app version. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.